Are you prepared to embark on a journey that could reshape your financial destiny? In this indispensable guide, Kevin O'Leary reveals insights that might forever alter your views on money. He asserts that accumulating wealth isn't merely a matter of hard work. Instead, it involves the clever application of strategic thinking and wise risks. As you begin this adventure, bear in mind that adhering to time-tested financial principles can lead you to your own success story, just as it did for Kevin himself. O'Leary encourages you to envision the powerful 28-rule habit. Picture this. You adjust your spending by dedicating 28% for essential expenses and invest the rest into savings and growth. This straightforward tactic could serve as your springboard to remarkable financial advancement. He compellingly shares his journey of transforming just $100 into an astonishing $100,000, illustrating that persistence and discipline yield significant rewards. A life-changing moment occurred during O'Leary's ice cream store experience. This sparked a fire within him, pushing him into entrepreneurship and carving out his own path to achievement. Remember, encountering failure is woven into the fabric of every journey. He emphasizes that adopting the right mindset can shift your course. By drawing wisdom from industry titans like Steve Jobs and Elon Musk, he offers practical lessons for those aspiring to become entrepreneurs. What Kevin shares extends beyond financial recovery. It's about discovering your identity as a business owner. Achieving balance is essential for both technical skills and emotional health. He reflects on the stark reality of business failure, highlighting that 80% of startups don't last. Developing critical listening skills is invaluable for steering through uncertain times and identifying ideas worth nurturing. Furthermore, Kevin highlights fundamental entrepreneurial traits vital for success: resilience, a growth mindset, and adaptability. He passionately champions the importance of diversity in hiring practices. He believes that inviting women's perspectives into leadership roles cultivates innovation and drives success. Through collaboration, you harness a collective strength that propels your business ahead. O'Leary candidly explores the connection between emotional intimacy and financial decisions. He emphasizes how relationships can profoundly influence one's financial health. The startling link between financial struggles and divorce underscores the necessity of communicating openly with loved ones about finances. Additionally, he introduces the concept of 5 love languages of money, helping couples bond and make savvy financial decisions together. Long-term investing is portrayed not just as a tactic, but as a guiding philosophy. O'Leary urges caution. Even small financial mistakes can snowball into significant problems. As he shares his investment methods, he emphasizes dividend stocks and cryptocurrency as vital components of a diverse portfolio. Finally, O'Leary investigates the role of artificial intelligence in today's financial landscape. His invitation to reflect culminates in a profound question: are you happy? This prompts you to assess how money influences your life, urging you to address any imbalances proactively. With every piece of wisdom he imparts, Kevin empowers you to take control of your financial future. You can tap into his wealth of knowledge by following him on social media, where he provides ongoing insights, updates, and motivation. Engaging with his content allows you to keep learning and connect with a community of those on a similar path. Your determination to transform your financial situation could lead you toward a prosperous, debt-free life. Therefore, begin implementing these strategies now. Your journey towards financial empowerment starts with embracing these lessons. By incorporating O'Leary's principles, you can cultivate positive financial habits, make educated choices, and foster a more rewarding relationship with money. Remember, the road to wealth isn't solely about amassing riches. It's about creating lasting joy and stability for yourself and your loved ones.